Woodworking is one of those crafts where the right woodworking tools make all the difference. If you're just starting out or looking to refine your setup, having the essentials on hand not only makes projects easier, but also ensures better results. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 essential woodworking tools that every woodworker should consider. These tools are versatile, practical, and form the foundation for just about any project you'll take on. Number 1. Chisel set. I'll start with chisels, one of the oldest and most trusted woodworking tools. A good set of chisels is invaluable for cutting, shaping, and carving wood with precision. They come in different sizes, and each one has a specific role, from fine detailing to removing larger chunks of material. One of the main benefits of chisels is their accuracy and control. Whether you're cleaning out joints, trimming edges, or adding decorative touches, a sharp chisel gives you that professional finish. Plus, they're relatively affordable and easy to maintain as long as you keep them sharpened. If you're serious about woodworking, a quality set of chisels should be one of the very first things in your toolbox. Next up is the hammer, a tool that seems simple but is absolutely indispensable. In woodworking, hammers aren't just about driving nails. Depending on the type, they can also be used for assembling joints, adjusting parts, or even working in combination with chisels. The classic claw hammer is probably the most versatile option. It allows you to drive nails and remove them with ease. For finer woodworking projects, a mallet is also helpful since it delivers controlled force without damaging the wood surface. Number 3. Circular saw. Now let's talk about the circular saw, a true workhorse in woodworking. If you need to make straight, clean cuts quickly, this tool is hard to beat. Unlike a handsaw, which takes time and effort, a circular saw can cut through large boards or sheets of plywood in just seconds. What makes it so essential is its power and efficiency. With the right blade, you can cut not just wood, but also materials like plastic or even metal. It's especially useful for cutting large stock down to size before moving on to finer work. The next tool on the list is the sander, and trust me, this one can save you hours of hard work. Sanding by hand is not only time-consuming, but also inconsistent. With a good sander, you can smooth out rough surfaces, remove old finishes, or prep your wood for painting or staining in a fraction of the time. There are different types, but an orbital or random orbital sander is often the best all-around choice for woodworking. The biggest benefit here is efficiency and finish quality. A sander helps you achieve that polished, professional look without exhausting yourself. It's one of those tools that quickly becomes indispensable once you start using it. Number 5. Handsaw. Even with all the power tools available today, the classic handsaw still holds an important place in woodworking. It's simple, reliable, and doesn't need electricity or batteries to get the job done. Handsaws are great for small, quick cuts where setting up a power tool would be overkill. They also allow for more control and precision, especially when working on fine details or in tight spaces. Next up is the power drill, one of the most versatile tools in any workshop. At its core, it's designed for drilling holes, but with the right attachments, it can also drive screws, mix paint, or even sand surfaces. What makes it indispensable is the speed and accuracy it brings to tasks that would take much longer by hand. If you're assembling furniture, creating pilot holes, or installing hardware, a power drill makes the process faster and cleaner. Simply put, a good power drill isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a core tool that opens up countless possibilities in woodworking and beyond. Last but definitely not least, we have clamps. Think of clamps as an extra set of hands in your workshop. Whether you're gluing, cutting, or assembling, clamps hold your pieces steady so you can work with precision and safety. They're especially important when you need tight joints, like when gluing boards together. Without clamps, the pieces can shift or separate, but with the right pressure, you'll get clean, strong bonds that last. Thanks for watching. If you're just starting out, these tools will give you everything you need to tackle a wide range of woodworking projects. And if you already have some of them, adding the rest will only expand what you can create. I've included links in the description if you'd like to check out these tools and see which ones fit your needs best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tool reviews and woodworking tips.